Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the phone has at least 50% battery and any recoverable data is backed up. This reduces risk of a mid-process shutdown. Once done, enable USB debugging if you can access settings. Otherwise, prepare to use recovery mode. Make sure your PC has ADB/fastboot drivers installed and the Realme USB driver loaded. You need the exact model number to choose the correct firmware or factory reset method, because choosing the wrong file can brick the device. You will now boot into the phone's recovery by powering off and using the correct key combo, power plus volume down or volume up depending on the variant, so the device enters recovery mode. Once in recovery, choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset to remove the user lock. This erases user data, which is why backup mattered. If recovery doesn't allow a full reset, use SB Flash tool with the correct scatter file or authorized EDL method to reflash stock firmware. You finish by rebooting the device. The first startup after a reset can take several minutes, so be patient. Make sure to reconnect to Wi-Fi and sign in with the previously synced Google account if factory reset protection appears. That is a security step to prevent unauthorized use. If the phone fails to boot or boots into a boot loop, reflash the exact stock ROM you identified earlier and verify checksum. If problems persist, seek authorized service to avoid hardware or EMA issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.